Guys, it's Risa. How are you? So here I am again talking to you about some of the grocery items that I buy for the upcoming week for meal prep. Meal planning is key, as you know. Before I start, just a reminder to please ring the bell so that you get all my new videos by email. All my recipes are written under each video, and continue to subscribe and share with anybody on a health journey. Doesn't matter what program you're on, to enjoy my meal planning, meal prep, grocery shopping, and of course, breakfast, lunch, brunch, dinner, snacks, desserts. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so this is my Mama Lupa's One Smart Point that I buy at the low carb grocery store. And you can check definitely what your grocery stores have. These are lower carbs. They're only 60 calories and zero saturated fat, zero sugars, and 5 grams of protein. And they come out to 1 point on WW. They're the Mama Lupe. The other thing that I love are the Smart Buns. And they're only 63 calories. And they're 11 grams of fiber, let's just show you, and 9 grams of protein. How amazing is that? You keep them in your freezer, and they're great, great, great for all the burgers that I have on my channel. So check out the different burgers. More to come, veggie burgers, chicken burgers, turkey burgers. And I bought these beautiful tomatoes because I thought I'd cut them up, slice them, and put them on my Smart Bun or on my tortilla. Yes, I love gum. I like keeping it in my car, and I love having it at work just to keep my mouth busy. But I love to chew gum, and I love the vibes. That just sounds funny. I love the vibes. But no, the thing about this gum is, and I don't work for the company, is that the flavor lasts a long time. So other veggies that I bought are zucchini because I plan to make some zucchini noodles. They're great in stir fries. They're great in breads, muffins, okay? They're just delicious if you bake them, roast them, steam them, barbecue them. So many options for zucchinis, and depending on when you're watching this, they're huge right now. My eggplant, I'm hoping to make crispy eggplants. So stay tuned for that recipe. Sometimes I just feel like buying some sauce. This Rao's sauce is delicious. You know, you want things that are easy peasy to throw over your zucchini, or, you know, I also bought squash. Sometimes I buy spaghetti squash. I bought this one, the pepper squash. Okay. I love those. But the Rao's is great with pasta and just to put over chicken meat, turkey meat, fish. Just a great option. I buy the huge spring mix at Walmart because it has so many things in it. It has arugula and baby spinach and lettuce, and I love it. So I'll have that for my salads for the week. And then I add just like peppers and cucumbers and some onion. I love Vidalia onion, and the Vidalia onion adds a lot of flavor to your recipes, my friends. It's a sweeter onion, and I buy this. You can buy them at Costco, Walmart, any grocery store, of course. And they're super delicious to put in your burgers, okay, your stir fries, as I mentioned. And I love just onions and mushrooms to put over your chicken, your fish, whatever. And of course, my fruit. I just bought some blueberries, and I bought these beautiful grapefruit. I have pears and apples and other fruits that I always keep on hand, and my bananas, because I'm going to make probably a banana bread. Check my recipe for that. That's why they're sitting here. They're old. And my pumpkin is out because I'm going to make more pumpkin pie and pumpkin muffins and my pumpkin seeds. So you can check those out. That's why my counter is super full. And of course, I love Cool Whip. I like the ultra light Cool Whip, and I love adding that to my yogurt or to my muffins or to my pies. And, it's a special treat on your pancakes, on your French toast, and you can check out my recipes for those. And I like always buying this chicken breast strips from Walmart. I throw them in everything on my pizzas. You can check those out, of course. I'm going to get that in. My 2-ingredient pizza, my Mama Lupa pizzas, just have as a snack for those of you on intermittent or WW or any health journey. I always say this. They're just great to have. And I keep it at work. I keep them at home. You're going for a walk after workout. They're delicious. Put in your omelets, your frittatas. Really a lot of options and versatile. And of course, I buy the 2 packages because 2 for $12 at Walmart of the ground chicken. Sometimes I love the turkey meat. You can make my burgers, my meatballs, and your stir fries, your crack slaw. And I'm going to be making tacos this week. So that's why I have everything planned. And I bought some fresh basil because that's going to go in my recipe for my eggplant. Or I might put it on top of some tomatoes. It'll be super delicious. Or I'll add it to my salad, right? You get what I'm saying, right? So lots of different options. And, and I bought some socks. Not to eat, obviously. I needed socks. It's good to get new socks every once in a while and throw out your old ones. I just had to add that. Anyways, I hope this video helps you guys to meal plan, meal prep, grocery shopping ideas. And again, this is just some of the ingredients that I have in my house. Being prepared is super key to being focused, staying on track, helping you to lose the weight that you want to lose on whatever program. Of course, WW's, the one that I've been on for over 7 years now. And this has helped me. So I'm trying to pay it forward and help you guys. Let me know what you think. Comment, like, share, and of course, subscribe. Check out my group, my Facebook group, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa. My Instagram, Risa's Piece 8. My website, www.risa'srecipe.com. Love you guys. Take care. Happy shopping.